Every toilet I used during my recent vacation in Japan was a smart toilet, and the first time I used a smart toilet at the Tokyo airport, it weirded me out. But Japan changed me, and after coming back to the US, I felt like a barbarian using an old school toilet with toilet paper. You want me to sit on a cold, dumb toilet, then use my hands to wipe with dry paper? Doesn't make sense. Once you try a bidet, you realize just how much cleaner it is. And then once you try a smart toilet, there's no going back. Technology is everywhere. Smartphones, smart doorbells, smart lawnmowers, but there's one place where tech needs to go next in your home, and that's the bathroom. In Japan, 80% of toilets are bidets, and many of them are smart toilets. Compare that to the US, where about 5% or less of toilets are bidets. But just how expensive is a smart toilet? How hard is it to install? And why not just get one of those bidet attachments for your existing toilet? All great questions, let's jump into it. After my Japan trip, I added a bidet to my master bathroom. It was an inexpensive and easy way to get myself out of having to use harsh, dry toilet paper and into cleaning myself with water. My butt felt clean, but I missed the smart features on just about all the toilets that I used in Japan. So I looked for an upgrade and came across the HOROW T38 smart toilet.